1 hour. Okay? Bear with me. I will also be short in my speech. Okay? Now, basically, everybody knows here, my friends, colleagues, you, everybody else, honorable guests, our esteemed SJBMC team, the employees here, the staff. Well, it's a good evening to everybody. But to those who don't know me, I am Dr. June Juliano. Junior daw, pero hindi talaga. My whole name is Jose Enrico Gerardo Luis Galang Juliano. Nag-iisang lalaki. Okay? Kaya pinuno ng pangalan. Okay? Without junior. Pero nag-iisang lalaki, kaya naging June. Okay? For short. Para may click. And I'm been back again here as the president of SJBMC. I was here as CEO in January 2024, then back July 2024. And I've been part of two hospitals also. Many of you would know, with CMC as the Executive Vice President and COO from 2011 to 2017. Then 2018 to 2023, I was the CEO of the Medical City South Luzon, which we sold already for a lot of money. Okay? But it all went to CMC and to my father. Wala pa akong pera. So don't ask for me any money. Wala akong pera. Okay? Now, for the past 25 years, I've been handling hospitals, also handling patients. So, managing patients, managing hospitals, managing patients, managing hospitals. And everybody, alam na alam ng mga seniors, I'm an ophthalmologist by trade. I've been doing cataract surgery for a long time. And doing charity also. Alam rin ni Lian niya, kasi si Adabe is also a partner here. And everybody else, alam nito niyan. Now, we've been doing it also. So, we will continue. And that is a promise from my end. Now, it's very fulfilling to manage a hospital. As you can see, both employee and our partner supplier grow with our hospital. The stakeholders eventually will also reap the success of the hospital. And that's what I saw also with both CMC and Medical City. But what's important is that we grow, as sinabi ka, sir, we grow as a family also. And one of the nice things that happened is that, you know, Rue Bourbon, the bar, that is owned by the sons of our contractor, Tyson, who has been with us through 9 buildings. We've constructed 9 buildings together, and now he's the premier contractor for any healthcare institution. Now, he's now with St. Luke's, with the government and everything. And we're considered family. What's important here is that we don't engage just in business, we grow together as a family. And that is now what we want to do with from CMC, TMC, to SJB. SJB na lang for short. Kasi baka sabihin nyo, St. John Colleges, St. John the Baptist Church. Baka dito. Kaya nagugulan. So we will call it SJB. Kaya SJB's Rebirth. Kasi nanganganak rin naman dito, ba't natin hindi pa anakin ulit yung ospital? Tama? Okay. But as we step into the new year, bagong taon na naman, 2025, and bagong Chinese New Year, Kung Hei Fat Choi, everyone, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. Without your presence here basically is a testament of your support for me and the hospital itself. And we thank you immensely. Your compassion, dedication, and resilience have been priceless, and it is the foundation of the immeasurable care we can provide to our patients. Without your help, we cannot do that. Without the help of the doctors, our stakeholder partners, suppliers, all the way to the civic organizations, the NGOs, we cannot. And we are here to listen to you, to learn from you, and also work with you. That is the motto. And that has been the motto also when I have been with CMC and TMC. Well, we have overcome numerous challenges here in this hospital, and we commend the previous administration for having built such a hospital. But its time has come also, and it's rebirth and immeasurable growth. Lalo na last year, we were able to gather a 25% growth. And I'm proud of the difference we've made with the different lives of the people. Pasensya na, napapaos na, no? Can somebody give me some water, please? Too big. Okay. This year marks an exciting new chapter for all of us as we expand our services to better meet the needs of the community. After opening our new medical arts building last year, we are now faced with an onslaught. Sorry, daming pasyente. Thank you to everybody na ang dami namin pasyente. With the new phase of the hospital, the new medical arts building, madami tayong pasyente dumadating. Because now, they can see that SJB is here. And we are not just going to let that by as the new life of the hospital is coming in. Heralded by the arrival of our brand new 32-slice CT scan this January, the hospitals lined up more projects. We're expanding also our dialysis from just 6 chairs to 20 chairs. Kawawang-kawawa talaga si Kim kasi there are already 5 sessions per machine. 24 hours na sila nagtatrabaho. Ganun kadaming pasyente. The renovation of the operating room complex in conjunction with our brand new ambulatory surgical center, which is for day surgery na ngayon, at a cheaper price na ngayon kasi you don't need to be confined. The new physical therapy and rehabilitation center, the neonatal intensive care center, because ang dami nanganganak dito, we need also that for the babies, and the microbiology and histopathology sections of the tertiary laboratory, plus our continued thrust in the pioneering of women's reproductive health. Everybody knows that we are, and ayan na naman tayo, I will say it, we are known as the Fabella of the South. Sasabihin na naman, hindi pwede sabihin niya kasi government hospital yun. Okay. We are really known as paanakan. And we're proud of that. Because ang gusto namin, women's advocacy, mother's choice, dito kayo pupunta. From reproductive health until menopause.